Welcome to Blitz Learning Technologies. Today, we're diving into a game-changing approach to learning, hands-on learning with augmented reality or AR. How AR is transforming the way we learn by making learning more interactive, immersive, and fun. So, what exactly is AR? Unlike virtual reality, which places you in a completely digital world, AR blends digital elements with the real world. And this unique capability makes it perfect for hands-on learning. So, why is AR so effective? Studies show that engaging multiple senses in learning leads to better retention. With AR, learners are actively involved. They're doing asterisk, not just observing. This increases engagement, boosts retention, and allows for repeated practice until they're confident. With AR, we're not just learning facts, we're building a deeper, more intuitive understanding of concepts. The future of AR in education and training is promising. Imagine collaborating with a virtual classmate from across the world or exploring interactive 3D environments to learn about other cultures and histories. With AR, learning truly has no limits. Augmented reality is reshaping the learning landscape by making learning more immersive, interactive, and intuitive. At Blitz Learning Technologies, we believe AR is more than a tool. It's the future of hands-on learning. Visit our website www.blitzlearning.in. Curious about how AR can enhance your learning experience? Subscribe to Blitz Learning Technologies and stay tuned for more insights, tips, and resources on the future of learning.